What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Alchemy Pay or ACH, whatever you want to call it. I'll probably refer to it as Alchemy or ACH in this video, it doesn't matter. Just wanted to do a quick video on that for multiple reasons. I mean, there isn't really a clear reason for why you would want to cover ACH right now. I would say it has been quite bullish, I mean, for the last 2 days. But no major bullish momentum like we saw since Tuesday the 5th of September. Still wanted to make a video on that because first of all, I know that ACH has a very loyal community also around Cilinix Crypto, including me. I also used to hold ACH quite a bit and I still hold a little bit, a little percentage of my portfolio at least. But apart from that, it is also very interesting right now. Like if you take a look at certain statistics, like the open interest and the volume, they went up yesterday. Right now they have cooled down a bit. But overall, there are things brewing right now at ACH. There's also some things coming in the how to say, in the roadmap that still will be completed in the near term future, hopefully. So that could provide bullish momentum. So altogether, it's just interesting to watch ACH. Technically, I would say it's quite bullish right now. Like after that bullish momentum we got yesterday morning, it did respect the 3-2 FIB, or at least it has been respecting the support level right here between 1.47 cents and 1.44 cents. So I just wanted to talk about it, give you my thoughts on it, what's possible. So that's what we'll do. Now, before we dive into that though, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades, also including ACH, because I did enter a position there. But you also gain access to a chat room full of traders and my trading guide. So if you are interested in that, consider joining. If you want to become a better trader, I think it's a great option, but I'll leave that up to you. For now, let's get into ACH. So, like I said, I mean, these are the statistics you need to know. They're not amazing, but they are interesting, I would say. And then the price action for ACH and the fundamentals are also quite interesting. I actually gave a buy call on ACH quite some time ago. I think that's up, like I'm not sure, but somewhere in August I said, well, it's going to be interesting to buy ACH because of some news potentially coming out in this month. And that's also the main catalyst for ACH, right? I mean, ACH always moves a lot because of news. So that's the main thing to wait for. Until that time, the best way to understand ACH in my eyes is to know that it has been bullish, but right now it could still very well go both ways. Like last time around, we got that massive, like the moves we got this weekend and at the end of last week were a little bit more unsustainable. Like right now, ACH has been holding this level, also because of some bullish momentum from Bitcoin, of course, but it has been holding it. So the best way to understand it at this point of time is to understand that we are stuck between two different key levels. And right now, because of the uncertainty with the open interest and the volume, which is good but not great, and the news, it's best to wait for some sort of technical confirmation. So I would say at this point of time, but I might be a little bit biased because I bought ACH, I would say the most likely scenario is that it will break out of our main resistance at 1.5 cents, which is a strong resistance, and that it can rally first up to 1.56 and 1.57 cents. That's a conservative price target, but ultimately it could go all the way up to 1.65 cents. I think that's most likely due to the fundamentals, due to the volume and the open interest. But like I said, it could go both ways. And it's better to wait for that confirmation because on the other side, ACH could also break down below its main support, which we still have. Like we haven't touched that. It still is going to provide support, I think. But if it breaks down below 1.44 cents, it's more likely that ACH will just fall back down to its old levels around like 1.35 and perhaps even lower depending on what Bitcoin does. So it's best to wait for that confirmation. Given the circumstances, I think some sort of a bullish breakout is likely. Like I said, could go both ways. So that's my take on ACH. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.